We have an important news update about the final approval of the Tesla Giga Berlin, the final permit, which we think may come by the end of January. Brandenburg's Environment Minister Axel Vogel considers a final approval for the Tesla Giga Berlin factory in Grünheide at the end of January or beginning of February. So let's say in 4 weeks, to be realistic. He said that on Monday to the Bild newspaper in Germany. With his statement, the environment minister implicitly confirmed a delay in approval, and that was originally expected last year. Welcome back, dear friends. This is Armen Harayan from TalkNews.com. If you are here for the first time, please subscribe to our channel for daily Tesla news analysis and ring the notification bell so you don't miss my next Tesla story. So, after the holidays, the Tesla Gigafactory Berlin site has returned to full operations with work of the complex being conducted around the clock. Amidst these activities, reports from a veteran German media outlets have indicated that final permit to Gigafactory Berlin could be used in about 4 weeks. Reported Bild, reported our friends Jürgen and some other people who report news from Giga Berlin, and reported RBB24, which is Brandenburg's public radio. So far, the construction of Gigafactory Berlin has been accomplished through the use of provisional individual permits. As I have said before many times, these permits have allowed the Tesla to build sections of the upcoming Tesla Model Y facility in Giga Berlin. Under this system, every step of the facility's construction had to be checked and approved by the Brandenburg State Environment Agency. The setup worked for the most part, though it also opened the project to numerous delays, including losses. So today, German RBB24 is reporting that in Grünheide, Tesla is meanwhile continuing to build its electric car plant, Giga Berlin, but so far only with early approvals. The condition is the final approval must be probable, and if, contrary to the expectations, the State Environment Agency does not grant it, Tesla must dismantle everything at its own expense. In December 2019, the LFU granted Tesla permission to clear 82 hectares of pine forest on its property in Grünheide after 2 environmental associations lodged a complaint against this. The Berlin Higher Administrative Court prohibited clearing of 20 hectares because protected sand lizards hibernate there. Environment Minister Axel Vogel also commented on this decision and said the environmental associations have basically done us a big favor. That's kind of interesting, right? Said the Green politician, saying because in the judgment the court confirmed that the positive forecast for the final approval is likely. So that's very interesting. Now, in order to be able to fell the remaining 20 hectares of pine forest, Tesla has several options. The company can apply for a special permit for clearing, which also enables the animals to be killed as collateral damage. It is more likely, however, that Tesla will have a more detailed search for the animals in spring when they leave their underground winter quarters, and spring is just around the corner. Then the environmentalists engaged by Tesla could relocate the lizards to replacement habitats near the construction site, ideally before the animals lay egg in the beginning of May. So, interestingly enough, it appears that these lawsuits, like I said, recently brought against Gigafactory Berlin construction, ended up accelerating the approval process for the electric vehicle factory. Like I said, Axel, basically the environmental associations did us a big favor because in the judgment, the court confirmed that the positive forecast for the final approval is likely. That's why I look forward to the further procedure with confidence, Axel Vogel said. Gigafactory Berlin, friends, is very important for Tesla's expansion plans in the European region. With the electric car maker looking to start Model Y production on site sometimes this year, maybe before summer in the best scenario, or by the middle of July. The CEO of Tesla, Elon Musk, also revealed that the Germany-based facility will feature a battery cell production plant that would be capable of producing 100 gigawatt hour of batteries per year, over double the capacity of Gigafactory Nevada. As I reported today, our friend Dean McManus, who submitted a very interesting story about Tesla's 4680 batteries that may not be the same, Dean says that he thinks that Gigafactory Berlin may have LG Chem 4680 batteries produced for Berlin and Shanghai models. You know, Catalyst producing the batteries for the Gigafactory Shanghai. Panasonic is building batteries for Gigafactory Fremont in Nevada. Actually, Panasonic is Gigafactory Nevada for the companies for the cars produced in Fremont, and he thinks that Berlin may have LG Chem 4680 NCMA chemistry batteries produced for Berlin and Shanghai Model Ys, with the new Giga Shanghai Model Ys available to order now and deliveries due later this month. Dean says, I have to wonder if they will be secretly shipping the LG NCMA or Panasonic NCA 4680 batteries from the beginning of the production. Germany is very important for Tesla, and Dean is asking, do you think that the upcoming Made in China Model Ys will quietly start shipping the 4680 batteries with 4680 batteries, or will they use the 2170L batteries and current chassis design so that the China-built Model Ys do not upstage the highly anticipated Giga Berlin Model Ys, which will have the cast frames, structural battery cases, and NCA/NCMA battery. So as you can see, very interesting and exciting thing coming from Gigafactory Berlin, that final permit, which was supposed to come by the end of December, that's what the officials in Germany were telling. Now it looks like it will come either by the end of January or early February. You know, the environmental agency now wants to include the court's requirements in the approval notice, says BIS Berlin, saying, and complete the evaluation of the hearing of the factory opponents. Tesla has to pay a deposit of 100 million euros by January 15 for the possible dismantling of the plant in case the final permit for some reason doesn't come. This is a sign that the final permit will not come before January 15, unless tomorrow or next day Tesla makes that 100 million euro security deposit for dismantling the factory in case the final permit doesn't come, and the government accelerates the hearing process. Now, it is true that the permission of the work is considered safe, but you can also take legal action against this, said Christian Schierhorn from the Higher Administrative Court to BIS Berlin. Well, friends, let me know what you think about Tesla Giga Berlin's delays and final permit coming end of January, early February. Do you think this time nothing else will delay it? In the meantime, this is Armen Harayan from TalkNews.com. Please subscribe to our channel for daily Tesla news. Ring the notification bell so you don't miss my next Tesla story. And if you have any Tesla stories you would like to submit, or editorials or op-eds to Torque News, please email it using our TalkNews.com/contact page, or our about page in our YouTube channel if you would like to submit stories as other people have done. Have a wonderful rest of the day. Peace be with all of you, and God bless you, everyone.